Hi, so this is a very simple guide on how to fix your RSS Formula C1 and C5 tires from looking like they're under really weird lighting. So I've got the folder for it here. I'm going to extract it over here. Right, you want to go here on the content, go to cars, formula, extension, right? What you want to open up is extconfig.ini, right? You should see it right here. Click on that. Mine's opening in virtual, whatever this is. Yeah. Um, what you want to change here, right? You want to come all the way down, come to line number 33, and just compare the C2 texture of the C1 because C2 works fine, but C1 doesn't. The way you fix is that you take this TX normal and you just replace it. So yeah, and then there you go. Oh, we kind of fucked up there, but yeah, just you don't want to change the formatting of it. And now you want to do the same, copy this, look for C5 over here, and there you go. You've replaced it now. Save the file, Control S, save, close this, and then your tire should be fine. Now, just to demonstrate that, I already have it over here. I'm just going to show you my folders real quick. Yeah, so same changes over here, same as the file we just changed. Yeah, and now when you click on drive, yeah, just give it a bit. Right, so you can go here, you can mess around here, and then you'll see that your ultrasoft looks fine, and your C1 looks fine as well. So, I've of course got some additional mods on them that changes them to Pirelli tires, but the lighting for it should be fixed now. Right, yeah, that's about it. Cheers, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.